Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how to create this glamorous cut crease eye makeup with just following few steps. So you can pair it up with any kind of Indian or Western wear. It's a really glamorous and party appropriate makeup. So if you wanna know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So before starting off the eye makeup, I'm gonna prime my eyelid really well, and for that I'm using a concealer. It's the LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm gonna blend it out using a brush, and I'm gonna use stamping motion while blending the concealer. Now to set the concealer in place, I'm gonna use this shade which is called Desert Sand from my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to set my eyelid. Next up, I'll be taking this shade which is called Oud, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, and with the help of a dome shaped crease brush, I'm gonna first stamp the color just on the outer corners of my eyes, and also I'll be stamping the color on my crease as well. Here I'm first blending out the crease color, and after that I'll be blending it out. But first I want to place the color, and I want to keep the maximum intensity on my crease because we are gonna cut the crease. So for that I have to get a precise and depth of color. Now taking this orangey shade which is called Amber, I'm gonna blend out the edges of the first shade that we applied on our crease, and here using small circular motion and also windshield wiper motion, I'm gonna blend out the edges. And I'll be flicking it out a little bit just at the tail of my eyebrows. Now taking this light peachy shade from the palette which is called Eden, I'm gonna further blend out the colors really well, and here I want a great gradation of colors from darkest to lightest. That's why I first applied the darkest color on my crease, then with a medium dark color I blend out the edges of the first color, and lastly with the lightest color I'm blending out the eyeshadow finally. Now with all those blending, I lost some of the intensity of the first color that I applied, so here I am reapplying the colors again, and taking the color little by little, I am stamping it first on the usual area where I applied it before, and then I'll be blending it out. So here again I took the amber shade, that light orangey shade, and I'm reapplying it and blending out the edge again. You have to keep repeating the steps until you're happy with the intensity of the color. So here I'm doing the same, just repeating the same steps again to achieve that desired look. And lastly blending the lightest shade Eden just to get that perfect gradient. So now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using the same concealer which I used to prime my eyelid, and here using a flat synthetic eyeshadow brush I'm first applying the concealer on my eyelid, and then just dragging the concealer downwards. I'll be later fixing the edge, try to make that sharp edge of cut crease. But first I'm just applying the concealer on the middle part of my eyelid, just creating a base for the next eyeshadows that I'll be applying. Now taking this small detailer brush and taking a little bit of concealer, I'm trying to create a sharp line of the cut crease to make it really precise. I'm not a pro at this, but you have to take your time and you have to be very patient while doing this step. There's no rush, just practice it and you will achieve it. I'm blending out the edges of the concealer and the outer corners of my eyes with my finger. Now just reapplying the same brown shade on the outer corners of my eye, blending the line of demarcation between the concealer and the eyeshadow, and also flicking the color a little bit at the end of my eyes, creating a wing. Next up, I'll be taking this shade from the palette, which is called Blood Moon, and I'm gonna apply it on the center part of my eyelid with the help of a small detailer brush. And here I'm just patting the color and also trying to make the edge a little bit more precise so that there are no gaps between the crease color and the lid color, and just applying it on the center. Now to blend this color with the outer corners color, I'm gonna flick it a little bit. Now taking this beautiful champagne shade from the palette, which is called Nefertiti, I'm gonna apply the color on the first half of my eyelid. So the texture of this eyeshadow is kind of new to me. It's kind of like a loose pigment. So I just first took a little bit of the eyeshadow and stamp it over there, and then using small flicking motion, I am blending it with the lid color which I used on the middle portion. So I felt like the outer corner of my eye wasn't dark enough, so I just reapplied the darkest shade again to add a bit more depth over there. And also I'm blending it out with the same brush and flicking it at the end to give my eye a more elongated effect. And then blending out the edge of the outer corners so that there are no harsh lines. Now to add some sparkle, I'll be taking this beautiful glitter from the palette, which is called Cosmo, and with the help of my finger I just stamp it on the middle part of my eyelid where I applied the Blood Moon shade, and see how gorgeous and party ready my eyes are looking. Now to tightline my both upper and lower waterline, I'm just using a black kajal, and I'm gonna apply it a little bit thicker on my lower waterline. Next up, using the same brown shade and with the help of a pencil brush, I am smoking out the kajal really well, creating a good depth and smokiness on my lower lash line. Now to give a more blown out effect, I am using the both Amber and Eden shade, and with the help of a fluffy brush I am just blending my lower lash line again and also connecting it with my upper lash line so the eye look completes, and also there are no gaps between my upper and lower lash line. Now I'm creating a very small and thin wing eyeliner. I'm not gonna draw a very dramatic wing eyeliner because I want my eyeshadows to be the center of attention. That's why I'm just lining a thin line along my upper lash line. And next up, I'll gonna draw a small flick at the end of my eyes, and then I'm gonna connect it with my lower lash line as well to give a more cat's eye effect. So just creating a small wing along my lower lash line, following the tail of it, and then I will be connecting it with my upper lash line. Next up, taking this shade which is called Cashmere, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and also I'll be dragging it a little bit on the first half of my lower lash line to add a bit glow and light over there. And I'm gonna use the same shade to highlight my brow bone as well. So first I'm gonna apply the colors just the arch of my eyebrows, then I'll be blending it downwards. To finish up the look, I'm just gonna curl up my lashes and apply few coats of mascara both on my upper and lower lashes. But today I'm gonna use falsies, that's why I'm just applying 1 coat of mascara on my upper lashes and 2 coats of mascara on my lower lashes. So I just applied some natural looking falsies off the camera, and here's the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section down below how you felt about this look, and if you want me to create any kind of look you can comment down also. And I hope you really enjoyed it. Then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. See you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.